SpaceX has always fascinated us with its unique inventions. The first crewed orbital voyage without professional astronauts launched on September 15, 2021, thanks to billionaire Jared Isaacman's privately chartered spaceflight. The inspiration for Isaacman's campaign to raise more than $200 million for St. Jude Children's Research Facility, which is a pediatric cancer research hospital that does not charge families for their children's care, was a driving force behind Inspiration 4. Out of his own cash, Isaacman even contributed $100 million to the cause. Hayley Arceneaux, a medical assistant at St. Jude Children's Research Hospital in Memphis, was the first crew member to join him. As a child, she took medication for bone cancer from the same hospital. St. Jude chose her to join the crew, and she was the first woman with a prosthetic body part to go to space, because she received metal rods to replace sections of bones in her left leg during her treatment. She was also one of the youngest people to go to space and the youngest American to do so, edging out pioneering astronaut Sally Ride by just a few years. Moreover, Arceneaux served as medical officer for the flight. Next comes Chris Sembroski. Chris is a data engineer and longtime space geek who used to serve as a counselor at Alabama's Space Camp. Sembroski's seat was up for sale in fundraiser sweepstakes to benefit St. Jude, but while he entered, an unknown person was the winner. According to reports, the friend then offered the seat to Sembroski, remembering his keen interest in spaceflight and astronomy. According to a press statement, Sembroski worked as a mission expert, assisting with payload, science experiments, communications to mission control, and much more. Coming in the third place was the winner of the Shift4 Shop competition, Sian Proctor, a geology and planetary science scholar and science communication expert, was given her seat. The contest required competitors to create an e-commerce site using Isaacman's Shift4 Payments platform. Proctor also made a video to share her inspirational entrepreneurial tale and why her company should be lifted to the stars as part of the contest. Proctor's Space to Inspire shop sold postcards and prints of her Afronaut space art, which she uses to promote dialogue about women of color working in space. Proctor has Following the termination of NASA's Space Shuttle program in 2011, Isaacman said he was delighted to embark on a SpaceX Crew Dragon for this mission, because he believes Musk's firm reinvigorated the world's interest in space. Between 1981 and 2011, the space shuttle transported hundreds of humans to orbit. Following that, SpaceX's Demo 2 mission, launched in May 2020, was the next crewed flight to Earth orbit flown from the United States. Musk described during a teleconference that Inspiration4 is a critical milestone towards offering access to space for everyone when announcing the mission. Isaacman paid SpaceX an undisclosed sum for the voyage, but according to reports, it was certainly in the tens of millions of dollars. Musk explained that things are really expensive at first, and it's only through missions like these that we're able to drive the costs down over time and make space accessible to everyone. According to the mission website, Inspiration4's main claim to fame was that it was the world's first all-civilian mission to space. What exactly does that imply? It demonstrates that there are no professional astronauts among the group members. Most space travelers in the past have been government-hired and trained citizens or military personnel. Some tourists have traveled to space, but only under the supervision of specialists affiliated with government agencies such as NASA, ESA, Roscosmos, and JAXA, or their European, Russian, or Japanese counterparts. Inspiration4's crew completed private astronaut training, becoming the first to accomplish an orbital spaceflight without the involvement of a government entity. What is your opinion on Inspiration4? Let us know down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, guys, and just before you go, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. With that said, take care and I'll see you in the next video.